This is Sri Lanka, a country that has both mountain and ocean. You will fall in love with its water activities. It has very super kind and supportive people. Sri Lanka was a British colony. Its people are very proficient in English, so if you have a good command of the language, you won't face any difficulties while traveling here. Here is Sigirya. It's one of the most important attractions of Sri Lanka.
Can I get a photo? Oh, there you are. Monkeys, we've got lots of monkey photos.
Here the lives of people and animals are entertained, and animals are highly valued by them.
Sigirya yani şiir.
Sigirya means lion. It's a hill from which you can see everything below, and it offers incredibly beautiful views. Fishing is a very common profession among the people of Sri Lanka. So since you are here, make sure to try the local fish. It's delicious, one of the best fish I've ever had. It also has very delicious tropical fruits. This is the Sri Lanka Botanical Garden, and the tree you see here has its roots stretching from here all the way over there. I chose a train for the round trip from Bentota to Garden. The train is a great opportunity to see the nature of Sri Lanka in short amount of time, and it's quite famous for its beautiful views you can enjoy. It's a very beautiful coastal city that was once under Portuguese rule, and there are several ancient buildings here that were built by the Portuguese. A lot of tourists come to visit this city. این استادیوم شهرشون و این سمت هم اقیانوس. اینم که یه شهر خیلی قدیمیه که پرتغالی‌ها ساختن. The CeylonTea Factory, where you can make a purchase, and of course they also treat you to a cup of tea. It's one of the famous Hindu temples located in Colombo. This is the Ganga Maria Temple, one of the famous Buddhist temples in Colombo. Buddha tree, a very old fig tree, where Buddha is believed to have meditated, and people believe by the tying a knot to its branches and watering it, their wishes and desires can be fulfilled.